Forgive me on the background. I have my motor controller over here. I got extra Arduinos over here, CNC stuff, some power supplies, soldering station, junk. But this is my Arduino desk. I'm going to set it up today a little better. But here's the robot arm. It's not very strong because it's only 5-volt motors on it. It's not very powerful, so I just got it lifting up something really light right now. It's got doing a repetitive function. Up here, the computer's telling me what it's getting ready to do. But now it's at reset. Now it's telling me every action it's getting ready to do. And here it's doing the action. Might change it up and have it do something different, maybe like a little dance or something. Good learning experience. Next, I'll make a LCD or LED display, a small one. Then I'll probably work on making a great big one. Then after that, I want to make my own 3D printer. Probably cut his parts on my CNC router. Then I'll make me one with the 3D printer. Anyway, comment if you like it. Thanks, guys. Bye.